front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Then scroll down a tiny bit to click on Screen Refresh Rate and apply one of those by clicking on the best one for you. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!